There are three type of accounts in our accountancy. First, personal account. Second, real, and third is nominal. What is personal account? Personal means persons. Sorry. Person means related to the persons. Personal account means those related to, belongs to persons or institutions. Person means human being. Ram, Shyam, Mohan. Ram, Shyam, Mohan, Rahim, Johnny. These are persons. And institutions. Institutions are, they may be bank, hospital, LIC, school, business houses. These are institutions. Bank, ICI Bank, that is an institution. Hospital, Mittal Hospital, institution. And Life Insurance Corporation, that is institution. School, your school, Maheshwari International School, that is institution. Business houses, RK Marbles, Naman Marbles Limited, these are business houses. These are also called personal. Personal account are those which are related with the persons or institutions. जो person से related है या institution से related. Second, real. It is related with tangible things. Tangible things. Things means non-living. Can be seen or touched. जिसको अपन देख सकते हैं और छू सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैश. A note of rupees 500 or 2000 can be seen or touched. Furniture, building, machinery, investment can be seen or touched. Which can be seen or touched are real account. Next, nominal account. Those related with expenses, incomes, gain or losses. Income and expense. Expense. We have consumed the services, that is our expense. We have provided the services, that's our income. Consume the services, our expense. Provided the services, अगर हमने अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड की है तो हमने पैसा कमा लिया. सपोज हमारी टेलीफोन कंपनी है, एयरटेल, हम एयरटेल का स्टोर खोल रखा हमने एयरटेल ने सर्विस प्रोवाइड की. अगर महीने भर अपन ने फोन कॉल करने की फैसिलिटी दे दिया तो महीने भर का पैसा अपन ने कमा लिया. स्कूल में पढ़ लिए तुम तो स्कूल ने आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइड की है. स्कूल, then that's income of the school. Clear? Expense, we have consumed the services. Salary our expense. Why it is our expense? Because we have consumed the services of that person, that clerk. उस क्लर्क के सर्विसेज को हमने कंज्यूम किया तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा. तो जो सर्विसेज हम कंज्यूम करते हैं वो हमारा एक्सपेंस, जिसमें हम सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो हमारी इनकम। अब आता है गेन और लॉसेस। ए मशीनरी ऑफ ₹10,000 सोल्ड फॉर 12,000। 10,000 की एक मशीन थी पुरानी, उसको अपन ने 12,000 में सेल कर दिया। प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है? प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, दिस इज गेन। जितने की अपन ने खरीदी उससे ज्यादा पर बेचा, जितनी अपनी बुक वैल्यू उससे ज्यादा पे सेल किया, तो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। अगर 10,000 की मशीन को 6,000 में बेचा, 4,000 का क्या हो रहा है? प्रॉफिट और लॉस? These account are nominal. Then nominal salaries, rent, commission। अगर लिखा है पेड तो हमारे लिए क्या हो गया? एक्सपेंस। अगर लिखा है रिसीव तो हमारे लिए क्या हो गया? इनकम। अगर हमें रेंट मिला, कमीशन मिला, तो हमारे लिए क्या हो गया? इनकम। इज इट क्लियर? Again, there are three types of account in our accountancy. First is personal account, second is real, third is nominal. Personal account are those which are related with the persons or institutions. Persons, human being. Institutions, either that may be bank, LIC, hospital, school, business houses. Real account are those which are related with the tangible things. Tangible things means can be seen or touched. That may be cash, furniture, building, machinery, or investment. Nominal account are those which related with the expense, income, gain or losses. Clear? Write down. लिख लो जल्दी से। हाँ बोलो।